folks. Good evening. We are live. How are you? I hope you're all well and happy and doing good. We are coming to you live from the Porterhouse. Well, not quite the Porterhouse. We're at What's an Ace HQ here. Our secret underground lair. Shh, it's a secret. So listen, we're going to play an hour's worth of tunes for you in association with New World Gigs and the Porterhouse. Fabulous Porterhouse. We're drinking Porterhouse Plain. Have you tried it? Have you tried it? Get yourself to the Porterhouse and try some Porterhouse Plain. All right. That's our contractual obligations out of the way. Let's play some music, boys. This one is called Crazy 2.
Something in my head's gone wrong, and I can't tell you no reasons why. See, I can't put my finger on it at all, and I can't hunt it down or catch it in my head, and I can't dig it out or buy it, seal or red. And it feels so bad to know I'm crazy, yeah. It feels so good to know you're crazy too. So come on, let's unhook this misery from round our way. Come on, let's shrug off this century. It's being replaced. Oh, my Lord, something in my head's not clear, and I can't tell you no reasons why. So if you're looking for answers, well, there ain't any here, but there's a ripple in the water, troubles on its throat, and now this soldier's falling all around me. I'm going it low, and it feels so bad to know I'm crazy, yeah. Feels so good to know you're crazy too. Oh, my Lord, something in my head's gone wrong. Oh, my Lord, something in my head's gone wrong. Oh, my Lord.
Woo! And the crowd went wild. All right, folks. That's one of our own tunes called Crazy 2. We got another one coming right up. It's called No Hole in the Bottom of the Ocean. Here it comes. Take us in there. Tom Domican on drums tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Make up your mind. Or are you stranded in the sunshine? Is there any point in hanging round if that hill's too steep to climb? Make up your mind. 7 years is such a long time. Don't go chasing down your happiness into the corners of your mind. There's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. And now there's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. Jimmy, your strong shoulders help to hide your fragile mind. Don't you need someone to hold on to? Someone who understands your plight. Jimmy, have you noticed lately how the time just flies? Lately it's a similarity to bring themselves into the light. There's no way to start over again. And now there's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. There's no way to stop once you're in motion. There's no reason, so just stand still. There's no hope. There's no hope. Bottom of the ocean, so sailor, please come home. See well, there's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. There's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. Oh. There's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again. There's no hole in the bottom of the ocean. There's no way to start over again.
There's no
and there's no way to start over again.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you're clapping loudly in your sitting room or your kitchen, yes, they're clapping loudly in the control room out there. Folks, let me introduce the ensemble of What's an Ace. You got Pete McGuire on guitar over here.
Hello.
We got Tommy Leonard on perk over there. Percussion for lay people. Angus Ralston, the face of the bass. Correct. Correct. And you're welcome. Brian Grace on guitar. Tom Chocolate Domican on the drums. And we want to give a big shout out to our buddy, our brother Russell Smith, who can't be with us tonight on keys, who's very much in our thoughts, and I hope you and all the family are well, my friend. We're going to do a song that everybody knows now, so you can bet your bottom dollar that I didn't write it. Yeah, just give me 2 seconds there. Right. All right, make it happen.
Shoo. 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 Here come on, flat top, he come growing up slowly. He got juju eyeballs, he won holy roller. He got head down to his knees. Got to be a joker, he just do what he please. Shoo. 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 He wear those shoes shine, he got touching football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he said, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. Shoo. 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 He back production, he got Walrus gumboot, he got oh no sideboard, he won spinal cracker, he got feet down below his knees. Hold you in his armchair, you can feel his disease. Come together right now over me. Shoo. 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 Right. He roller coaster, he got early warning, he got muddy waters, he won mojo filter, he said, warning, 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 street. Got to be a joker, he just do what he please. Come together right now over me. Shoo. Shoo. Shoo.
was one of our own tunes called Come Together. Just wrote it. I think it's going to be a good one. Yeah, if you just tuned in, welcome to What's an Ace, coming to you live from the Porterhouse Facebook page in association with New World Gigs and the Porterhouse, whose beer is lovely. So what's up next, lads? It's a secret. So, if you're saying hello to us on the live stream, we can't see you. So hello to you. If you're saying hello, hello. And if you're making wisecracks, I'm sure they're hilarious. We'll see them later. What have you got? End of a love affair. This is one from our album called Backbone and available to stream for free, Jesus, on Spotify and all that shit. It's called End of a Love Affair. Tom. Wasting your time, sweet baby, and I'm just wasting air. Start the hot deck, it's the end of a love affair. Oh, but lovers will come and lovers will go. To hold on when the feeling is gone and the spirit's so low. She's thinking I'm alright. She's thinking I don't care. But doesn't everyone's heart they get the end of the love affair? Don't out the information, bring on the sympathy. You can't keep your liberation. I don't want liberty. It's not what I need. Oh, insecurities grow now. They're stacking up like the dominoes. The stronger I see the more weary I grow. I look in your eyes, such a meaningless stare. But doesn't everyone's heart take it? The end of a love affair. 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 Stop wasting your time, sweet baby, and I'll stop wasting air. End of a Love Affair by What's an Ace. Lads, well done. You all played really well on that. Fair play to you. Can we take this opportunity to thank Liam Lahart, Dave Marcy, Willie Butler, Jenny Lahart for helping us out with this, and everybody at the amazing Porterhouse family for looking after us for all these years. They are real pioneers of great beer and great music and great vibes. Yeah, all right. Everyone in agreement? What's next? Elliot. Hello, Elliot. And hello, Holly. The Hugheses. And can we also remember Oliver, since we're here talking about the Porterhouse? Much love. I'm going to do another What's a Nice song. It's called, what's it called? Never Meant to Be. I was going to tune my guitar for this one. Should do at least one in tune. I promised myself I would. If you're tuned in and you're watching us, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. It's hot in here, isn't it, lads? Woo! Okay.
Are you ready? I'm just going to take us a bit. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2.
Hey, I can't feel you anymore. So rock yourself into the wind and I'll speak your name no more. The sacrifice I did it deep. Because I'm drunk on ignorance and not wise to satisfy your petty needs. Strong enough to put your mind at ease. Oh, maybe this was never meant to be. Maybe our paths weren't meant to cross. Or it's time to realize just what we had before it's lost. The devil on my shoulder speaks to me, but I listen one too many times and replace love with a loss of dignity. So I say face and just declare that I am free. Or maybe this was never meant to be. Well, it's a long, long way to where the mountains meet the sky. Over the horizon, someone's bound to catch your eye. Just still it says, continue on when there's no reason why. Maybe let's kiss this thing goodbye. Maybe let's kiss this thing goodbye. Hey, I see nothing in your eyes. What I see now, tomorrow just ain't worth risking my life. So I listen to this angel shoes telling me to quit this foolish game before the harsh reality is that I've nowhere left for you to watch me bleed. Oh, maybe this was never meant to be. We are young, so young. to give. Who knows, in years to come, you forget I ever lived. It's just a substitute for all the lonely it is you feel. But this was never meant to be. Now this was never meant to be. No, this was never meant to be. Oh, this was never meant to be.
Never Meant to Be by the amazing Watson Ace. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, what do we got? We got something that people know. We're going to do some Prince for you. If that suits you, does that suit you in internet land? What do we got? A beer of cream. Wow. Tom Domican on drums, drinking the pints. Tom Domican on pints. Look at him there. Tommy Lennon on percussion, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. It's time for you to go to the wire. You were hit because you got the burning desire. It's your time. Yeah, you got the horse, so why don't you blow it? You'll find, oh, you're filthy cute. Yes, you are cream. Get on top, cream. You will count, cream. Don't you stop, cream. Sugar baby, you're so good, baby. There ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. So you should. Never ever go by the letter. Never ever. You're so cool. Everything you do is success. Made the rules and break them all 'cause you are the best. And you know, yes you are cream. Get on top, cream. You will count, cream. Don't you stop, cream. Sugar baby. Hey, look up in the air, it's your guitar.
time. You got the horse, so why don't you blow it? Gonna blow, yeah. You are fine, fine. You feel that cute, oh, baby, you know it. You know it. Hey, cream, get on time, cream. You will count, cream. Don't you stop, cream. Shock on me, yeah, cream. Get on time, cream. You will count, cream. Don't you ever stop now, cream. Shock on me,
some Cream by Mr. Prince. Mr. Prince from the 90s. That's what we do in the Porterhouse regularly. That's where we would be under normal circumstances if the old COVID wasn't hanging around. Wrecking everyone's buzz.
Anti-COVID.
Just get lost, will ya? COVID. Cream by Prince. What do we got? Oh, this is an original song that was on the What's an Ace album, Backbone. It's called Runaway Train. Oh, Jesus, he says. Can we thank Stu and Mariana and Chiefy, who are in charge of this evening, making it sound so lovely and making us look lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. And Chiefy. From New World Gigs, get on it, folks. It is a new world out there. You know, what a link. Seamless. And hello to you in Facebook land if you're tuned in. You know, I hope you're well. This is the 12-inch. Trying to hold on to running water. Not giving everything, only to falter. I started something I can't reverse, will it get away from me? It's out of my hands and I go back to school now. What all they tell you is make your mind up and stick to your plans. And you can't do anything. It's like a runaway train with no destination. The sad cars race away, just like a runaway train, just like a runaway
runaway train with no destination. When I gave up all hope, a resurrection. Oh yes, I wandered aimlessly in every direction. In desperation, I tapped on your window now. Please don't leave me out here in the cold, you know. Life is a wrench if it gets too close. Well, it's gonna loosen your nuts and your bolts, and you can't do anything. It's like a runaway train with no destination. The seasons waste away, oh, just like a runaway train, just like a runaway train with no destination. No destination.
Thank you very much. Runaway Train by the amazing What's an Ace. If you can't toot your own horn, then who's gonna? All right, what have we got next, guys? We have one of our own songs, and it's not on an album. It might be on an album sometime. We're gonna do some recording soon, maybe. I know the world is waiting for the next What's an Ace album, so we better get cracking. This is a bluesy little thing, and it's called Strange Fever. If you've tuned in, thank you very much for tuning in. What way do we do this?
You check it in, I think.
Huh.
got a snowball's chance in hell, yeah. History without it. Strange fever, strange fever, strange fever, yeah. Well, you got that strange, strange fever burning inside of you. You got that strange, strange fever burning inside of you. Now you're lucky you got that fever, Lord. What else would you do without it? Strange fever, strange fever, strange fever, yeah. All right. We got that strange, strange fever burning inside of us. We got that strange, strange fever burning inside of us. Ooh, yeah. Where summer turns to winter, still turns to rise without it. Strange fever, strange fever, strange fever, yeah. Strange fever, strange fever, strange fever, yeah. Strange fever, strange fever, strange fever, yeah. Strange Fever, a bluesy little thing. Well, what's nice? Okay. We're coming close to the end, folks. Yeah. So we got Sweet Caroline, and Bad Out of Hell, and then we're out of here. If you're tuned in, thank you for tuning in. We are What's Nice. We're doing a live thing from the Porterhouse. We're in a makeshift porterhouse. We're in our secret subterranean lair here, where we come to discuss girls and stuff and life and play our guitars. So we are beaming out live to you across the world this evening. We got some Bob Marley. Bob Marley. I'll set you up here now. Thanks to Terry Gleason. It's been a long time since I've got you on my mind. Ooh. now you are here. I said it's so clear. See what we could do, baby, just up for me and you. So come on and steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Whoa, 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 whoa. You quench me when I'm thirsty. Come cool me down, baby, when I'm home. Your recipe, darling, is so tasty. And you sure can steal pie. Come on, steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby, now. Come on, steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Steer it up, no, 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 no. Mr. Tom Domican on drums, ladies and gentlemen. On percussion. Poultry in motion, baby. Tommy Leonard on percussion, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a long time since I've got you on my mind. Ooh. Now that you are here, I say it's so clear. See what we could do, little darling, just me and you. Come on, steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby, na 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 na. Come on, steer it up, little darling, steer it up, steer it up, steer it up, steer it up.
Yeah. One of our own. That was one of our own tunes called Stir It Up. So, what time are we? Have we got time for one more? Human behavior, is that yeah? Thanks. Jesus, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, we got time for one more. Folks, let us, this is the last song of the evening, is it? This is the very last song of the evening. Okay. We could probably do two more, could we? One in a cover? One in a cover. All right, so, yeah, woo! The crowd were going crazy, man. Again, let me just thank everybody, Stu and Mariana, and Chiefy for making it all beautiful, and Terry Gleason on pints. Probably the most important person in the room. Human behavior. Now you've been lying through your teeth, trying to save your face. Oh, but the truth in your eyes tells a tale. And I've been dying to come clean and tell you all those little victories seem like misery to me, or big mistakes. Oh, but I don't know where to begin. Who am I to throw stones at cruel your bounce? Who am I to get under your skin? When the dogs out in the street, they know everything. Ooh, the caterpillar on a leaf knows the same. You may think it's your only savior, you may think it's your saving grace, but it's pulling you right down, pulling you right down, yeah, pulling you right down below the waves. Hey! Well, now me, I know the game. Feel the flame, beam below the bone on and back again. You think nobody minds you when you savior? Oh, come on, child, course they're gonna mind. I mean, they're not blind, of course they're gonna mind. It's human behavior. Oh, but I don't know where you begin. Maybe that wiser, older head on your shoulders, or the sweet smell of change in the wind can reveal the price you pay. Can reveal the price you pay. When the dogs out in the street, they know everything. Ooh, the caterpillar on the leaf knows the same. Oh, and you might think you got your head above water, but the undercurrent in the breaks are pulling you right down here, pulling you right down, pulling you right down below the waves. Long ways. Ooh, oh, oh. Whoa, 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 Human Behavior by What's an Ace. Available on the internet for free. Lads, we're going to leave you after this one. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? A beer at Get By. Yeah, some more Beatles. Folks, thanks a lot for tuning in wherever you are in the world. What's an Ace? Our Tom Dumican on drums. Angus Ralston on the bass guitar. Pete McGuire on the guitar. Brian Grace on the guitar also. Tommy Leonard on percussion. And our brother Russell Smith, who can't be with us tonight. We love you, buddy. We love you very much. We hope you're well. Thanks to the Porterhouse. Thanks to New World Gigs. Jojo was a man, thought he was a loner, but he was another man. Jojo left his home to Tucson, Arizona, bought some California grass. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get on back. Back to where you once belonged. Get back, Jojo, huh? Oh, yeah. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Get back, Joe. Sweet Lorena Moody thought she was a woman, but she was another man. All the girls around said she got it coming, but she gets it, but she can't. Oh, get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, Loretta. Ow. Ooh. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get on back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Ooh. Oh. Good night, God bless, motherfuckers. Good night. End of transmission.